This project was a collaborative effort between Pomo Robotics and the Robotics Living Lab at Manchester Fashion Institute, and it was funded by the Cotton Textiles Research Trust. And the aim of the project was to co-develop a cutting tool, End-effector, for collaborative robots and bring it to technology readiness level 6 or 7 within an 18-month period.
Most robots or cobots have not really been designed to support creative endeavors. So what we have now focused on is understanding robots as a design tool. So rather than just using them as pick-and-place mechanisms, which is the kind of industry standard, we're developing more creative solutions like cutting, sewing, to support the fashion industry.
So Roll contacted us back in 2022 to start working on an innovative cutting tool project to support small to medium-sized fashion studios with their fabric cutting needs. We went through 3 distinct prototypes for this tool. At the completion of each prototype, we went through a design feedback session with Roll to understand exactly how the tool would operate in a real-world environment. And then we would input our understandings and knowledge into how to make that tool a lot better.
So one of the things that became really obvious after the first cutting tests that we've done with the very first prototype was that we really needed to address the health and safety of the tool.
So there's 2 fundamental health and safety features on this tool. One is it has an external guard that prevents people from getting their fingers in when the blade is deployed in a routine cutting operation. Secondly, the blade itself of the cutting tool is actuated through a sensor.
The tool can be integrated in all sorts of different safety scenarios, but also work on its own. So what we have at the lab are different workstations that are controlled by different safety measures. So in some instances, we've got light curtains. So if you put your hand or any kind of object through those, the robot would immediately slow down or stop. So that's programmable. Collaborative robots are designed to work alongside humans in shared spaces. So with the precision and flexibility of robotics, designers can explore complex ideas. And this interplay encourages creative risk-taking as the tools provide a reliable way to actualize unconventional ideas. So rather than replacing human skills, these tools require designers to engage with new forms of technical expertise. But we also want this to be as intuitive as possible and have integrated systems that make the transformation from your digital pattern into a robotic path really quite simple. We were able to show the tool at the MTC during a really interesting workshop that we ran with lots of manufacturing and design businesses. And this was really the first time where we introduced the tool to the public to show them what it can do. And people were really responsive and positively engaging with us to find new ways to integrate it into their workflows and making suggestions on how to improve on the existing tools as well.
Now that we've gotten to this stage, there are several ways to improve the tool, and we're working on better repeatability and nesting for more efficient use of materials, as well as increasing the lay capacity beyond a single ply. And we're also looking to integrating advanced sensor technology and improving on the safety aspects of the tool. And with so many possibilities ahead, we're really excited to explore what this technology can achieve in the future.